Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man here. So check this out. This is a long-term house I bought back in 2004. It's been a rental for me for 16 years now. It was a brand new property, brand new community back in 2004 when I purchased it. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, bread and butter, 1,600 square feet, gated community. At that time, I paid $155,000 for it. Love the floor plan. It's got the master on one side here. Decent sized master bedroom, separated from the other 2 bedrooms. You got your bathtub in here, the vanity, and then you got a nice walk-in closet here. So this home, I've decided to convert it into my next Airbnb, and what we're gonna do is change out the countertops. We're gonna paint the cabinets, do those in a nice white color. On the tub, we're gonna have one of my guys who specializes in epoxy. He's gonna do a nice white epoxy, redo the whole tub for $350. He'll charge me on that. All the bedrooms will have new carpet. This here is a great open concept. That's what I loved about this 1638 floor plan. You have the living room, you have the kitchen down there, so when they're cooking, you could be watching TV with the family, watching a game. So in this area, we're gonna do all wood laminate flooring throughout. The interior designer is going to help me with the furniture selection. The old tenant left a bunch of furniture we're going to trash. As you guys can see, we're going to haul out. Right here, since it's in a family neighborhood, we're going to make this a play area for the kids. We're going to have a chest of games over here. We're going to have our foosball table here and make it family friendly. On the kitchen, again, we're gonna repaint cabinets. The whole house will cost me about $2,200-$2,300, I'm guesstimating, to repaint. I have a specialty cabinet guy, that's all he does is paint cabinets, so he'll be doing the kitchen and both bathrooms. On here, we're gonna put in the nice new quartz countertops, new kitchen sink, new stove, get rid of this old-fashioned 2004 stove. Yeah, so can't wait to show you guys the finished product. And then again, it is a split floor plan, so we have the other 2 rooms on this side of the house and a separate bathroom with a tub. So in here, we're gonna do the nice paint. Again, throughout the house, we'll do the carpets, the darker carpets. We're actually gonna throw 2 bunk beds, so it'll fit 4 kids in this bedroom. The house will fit 10 guests. Repainting this cabinet, we'll repoxy the tub shower. That'll cost about $300 to get that sparkling and shiny. They have their own washer dryer here. It's very dirty right now. Laminate will go in here. New paint, clean up the washer dryers, and it'll be good to go. This here is the 3rd bedroom. And we'll have a bed in here that will sleep 2. Again, repaint the whole house. All the interior paint included, labor. That's gonna cost me approximately $2,000. So that is the tour of the 1,638 square foot home in Chandler. For this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,638 square foot home, to redo it, it's gonna run me approximately $15,000 to $16,000. That's gonna be my next Airbnb. Real excited to show you guys the finished product. It's gonna take me 30 days, so check back on this one in 30 days and we'll have it completely furnished, staged, and ready to go as an Airbnb.